Alright, welcome back, CyberForce Red Team. Here we are in the Basic Linux Part 2. This is where we'll deploy MSF, so Metasploit. Alright, so we're going to deploy Meterpreter Agent on the PLC. Here are the prerequisites: root shell, which we have over here under root. Great. Let's prepare the payload. So it looks like this is going to start an MSF reverse. Meterpreter reverse HTTP using ELF. Alright, here we go. Paste. Oh. So execute on the host Kali terminal. Sorry. So host Kali terminal is up here. We'll do that. So yeah, very important. In the text at the bottom of these colored bars are text that kind of tell us hints on where these things should be executed in. So that is good to read every once in a while, obviously. And so as you can see, it's spinning up MSF handler, all that kind of stuff. And eventually we'll get to this piece. We'll be waiting for the reverse handler. So while I wait for this, it looks like we'll also prepare the payload server. Oh, what's going on here? Unknown data store. It's still doing some stuff. And it's, as you can see, it's doing RC scripts. So yeah, so I'll have to open up another terminal. So let's look for a new window to open. And I'll have to start a file server to serve the payload. Oh, so back up here, it looks like, yep, we've got our started HTTP reverse handler. Fantastic. So now I can go ahead and start up on the Kali terminal, place the host. Our payload. Alright, so that's a file share. And this kindly tells us to wait until we are waiting for requests. So it's still kind of waiting there. Yeah, I should probably have tmux at this point, because this is too many different windows to have open. VPN, let's put that over there. Looks like it's making the file share. What does our thing say here? Waiting for requests. Oh, yep, that's what we see. Waiting for requests. Great. All right, let's prepare the staging server. New window. For giggles, tmux. What is it? Control %. Gosh, I can't remember what the thing is. Let's go real quick. Tmux. Cheat sheet. And I want to do a tmux new session. So actually, let's kill this for now. Let's open up a new window. Cool, and let's start a new session as this says tmux. So tmux new. Well, I'll call it tmux basic Linux lin. How about that? Oh, okay. So that doesn't like that. So tmux new session. I thought I could just call it a name. New session, my session. Okay, yeah, that's what I want to do. So tmux new session, and I'll just call this MSF. Go. All right, so now I have that there. So let's go ahead and rename. I don't want to rename. I don't want to detach. Session preview. I don't want to do that either. Create a window, current window, list window. No, I just want to split it. Can I split it? Active panes, horizontal. All right, so control B %. Okay, so there we go. And then how do I switch back and forth? So like toggle pane view, convert pane, no. Select window, next window. So control B N, next window. So I actually want to control B N. Oh, I guess not next window, but I want to go back previous window. It's not really a window. It's more like pages. Ah, yeah, pages. So I want to go move the current pane left. Okay, so maybe I want to go. I feel like move the current pane, switch the pane to the direction. So control B left. Okay, so yeah, left, right will get you control B right arrow. Okay, so control B left arrow. Anyways, all right, so that was a lesson in learning how to do that really quick. That was fun. So anyways, let's get back to the playbook. Cool, so file server, so execute on Kali. We already got that thing. All right, so copy, paste, go. We're going to wait until we see waiting for requests. That's what we see here. Then we're going to download and execute the stager on the target system. So that's back here at this root system. So we'll curl our stuff from here. So as you can see up here, it matches this IP address, and we'll run it. So again, check out the cool helper text down here. Execute on the target connected terminal. This is the target connected terminal. And we run it. As you can see, things are happening here on our Metasploit. And stager downloads and executes successfully. So database connected to the payload, tracking, don't worry about that. So let's do this. So as you can see at the top here, we have our interpreter. So we're good to go. Root interpreter session is open. There it is. Yep. Great. And now troubleshooting. I don't think we need that. Sometimes the first session generates a lot of messages, then fails. Okay, well, looks like it worked. We're not going to have to worry about that. So let's go environmental checks. Check your interpreter session is functional. Observe your payload in PS and net. Okay, yep. So let's just do PS for, let's check out the processes on there. Okay, so yeah, it's showing the process. There's score check, root, and that kind of stuff. Cool. I guess we can look at net stat, which is just the connections, the network connections. Yep, connections are in there. Good. So get GUID. So yeah, this will just tell us who we are. So let's get UID. Just tell us that we're this person. Root. Yep. Good deal. Let's get PID. So you can see where you're at. So get PID, like what process you're injected into with interpreter. So 17186. So if we do the PS, we can look for that and see where we are. 17186, huh? 17186. So 17186. So here it is right here. So if the defender actually did a netstat and saw this, it'd be like, that does not look good. Let's kill that. So anyways, so oh yeah, you do the process list. It says to do it. Observe the current network connection to the system. Identify the one you created. Oh, okay. So we just did that. So anyways, great. And then let's clean up. So Control C, the payload server to stop it. Staging server, Control C to stop that. And we're done. All right. Great. Fantastic. And thanks for watching. And see you in the next play.